Hello everyone, welcome to Science Tip. Today we are going to learn balancing of chemical equation. Most of the students are having difficulty in balancing chemical equation. Now I will solve that problem by a short trick. Different methods are there for balancing chemical equation. Table method, alphabetic method, bit and trial method. In these three, very easier or the easiest method is alphabetic method. So today we will learn the alphabetic method. With the help of an example, we will learn this method. For that, I have taken one equation, that is CH4 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. When I am explaining, you also practice the same. Step by step, we will learn this method. First step, draw a box around each compound. You can see here, I have drawn the box around each compound. Second, write an alphabet to each compound. So here compound CH4, I have given A, for O2, B, CO2, C and H2O, D. Mention the number of elements in reactants and products. So next, what you need to do? You need to find which are the elements first. So here which are the elements? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Then you need to find how many reactants are there, how many products are there. You know what are reactants and products? Left hand side elements we can call that as reactant and right hand side elements we can call that as product. So here carbon in the reactant side how many are there? 1. In the product side we can see that also 1. Hydrogen in the reactant side 4 are there. In the product side we can see 2 only there. Oxygen in the reactant side 2 are there, but in the product side you can see 3. 1 with the H2O, 2 with the CO2. So like that 3 are there. From the above table we can form the equations. How we can form equation? You can see here the table shows C, carbon, reactant 1, product 1. So carbon in the reactant side, which is the alphabet I have given A. In the product side, which is the alphabet for carbon I have given C. So I can mention that as 1A is equal to 1C, right? Second equation, that is for hydrogen. You know, hydrogen in the reactant side, that is with the CH4, right? So we can give, which is the alphabet I can give there? Yes, A. So 4A is equal to product 2 are there hydrogen. So 2, what is the alphabet given there in the product side? D. So 4A is equal to 2D. Third equation, that is for oxygen. So how to write that oxygen one? Reactants are 2, products are 3. But 3 we have to distribute and write. How to distribute and write? You can see here oxygen 1 with the carbon dioxide and another with the water. That means carbon dioxide 2 are there, oxygen, and in the water we can see 1 is there. So we can write in carbon dioxide what is the alphabet? C. And with the water what is the alphabet? D. So we can write 2B, that means 2 reactant, okay, gives 2C plus 1D. After forming the equation, we have to give some values for the alphabet. First, we will consider A equals to 1. Then, what will be C? Here we know that first equation 1A is equal to 1C. That means A is equal to C. From that, we can write if A is equal to 1, we can give C is equal to 1. C will be 1. Then, give the value of this A in equation 2. What was our equation 2? We'll see. 4A is equal to 2D. In that, we will give the value of A. So, 4 into, instead of A, we can give 1 is equal to 2D. 4 into 1, 4 is equal to 2D. Then how can we find D? Yeah, we need to divide it. So, D is equal to 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So, D is equal to 2, we got it. Next, give the value of C and D in equation number 3. Let us see what is equation number 3. Yeah, 2B is equal to 2C plus 1D. That is the third equation. In that equation, we are giving which value? C value and D value. What is C? 1. D value is 2. So, instead of C, we will give 1. Instead of D, we will give 2. After giving that, what will happen? 2B is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. 2B is equal to 2 into 1s are 2 plus 1 into 2s are 2. So 2B is equal to 2 plus 2. That means 2B is equal to 4. B is equal to 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. B is equal to 2. We got it. So we got all the alphabets we got. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 2. C is equal to 1. D is equal to 2. Now what we have to do? Yeah, correct. We need to give this value in the first equation, unbalanced equation. Okay, that become balanced after giving this value. So, we'll see what will happen after giving this value. So, you have to remember what? A is 1, B is 2, C is 1, D is 2. See here. For A with CH4, right? So, 1 CH4. 1 CH4 means we can give CH4 plus BO2, no? So, B, what is that B? Yeah, 2 is the value. So, 2O2 gives C is the alphabet we have given. So, for CO2. So, we can give C is 1. 1 CO2 means CO2 plus D is equal to 2 we learned. D we given for H2O. So 2 H2O. Now this is balanced. So what is the balanced equation? CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.